Welcome back to the KOAM Morning News on Fox 14. Joining us in studio is Meredith Kirkpatrick, and she's here to tell us all about the upcoming Cowtown Days. Welcome to the show.
Hi, thanks for having me.
How are you?
I'm good this morning.
Okay, so tell us about what Cowtown Days is.
Well, 53 years ago, my dad and some Baxter gentlemen got together and decided they needed to have something. We are the first cowtown in Kansas, which means when you cross the state line, not we were the first cowtown in Kansas. And they put a little
Because Trevor's sitting in my
celebration together.
seat.
And it's been going on off and on. It had some low time, and they didn't do it for a while, and then pandemic hit, but now it's going back. And
So what happens at Cowtown Days?
well, we just have a lot. We have shootouts, and we have a parade, and we
So is
just
it
kinda
celebrating
Baxter
Okay,
as
okay.
as a town?
Okay, so
Cowtown.
tell me about the button that you're wearing.
Well, if you buy a button for $1 when you first get there on Friday, then you are safe from being in jail all weekend long. If you go to jail, you have to pay $5 to get out.
So it's cheaper
we
to buy a
encourage you,
button.
yes,
Okay,
ma'am, to buy
okay.
a button before you get there, or we sell them there.
So are you guys raising money for anything, or is it just to celebrate the town?
It's just to celebrate
Okay.
the town.
So where's it at? I know it's in Baxter, but like, is there certain streets?
It is, yes, ma'am. The library lawn is where most everything will be, and that's on 11th and Park, and then all the surrounding streets around. So everything is right there. You park, and you can walk to everything.
Okay, and tell us when it is.
Okay, it starts Friday night at 6 o'clock. We're going to kick off with a free hot dogs and drinks, and then we'll have our American Idol contest. And then in the evening, the last thing, we'll do the coronation of the little dude and darling coronation. Then Saturday morning at 8 o'clock, we have a free pancake breakfast. Then at 9 o'clock is our parade. And then 9 to 5 is all of our vendors around that same area. We have car show, we have helicopter rides, we have a kids zone with pony rides, and we have a beard and mustache contest. We're gonna have a pie eating contest. We have bands all day.
So if someone wants to get involved in this, like in the vendors, in the contest, how would they go about doing that?
Well, this year everything is full. We
Okay.
just have to start for next year, and we start usually the day after Cowtown Days, getting ready for next year.
So this
'cause
is a
it is
year-long setup.
It is,
Okay.
yes, ma'am, a year-long setup.
All right. Well, I'm excited. I might.
Well, you should come out, yeah, and I'll give everybody a button, so you all won't go to jail.
Yeah, I don't want to go to jail.
No.
All right. Well, that's it. Well, come to Cowtown Days and enjoy the town of Baxter Springs, and we'll be right back.
Thanks for having me.
Okay, so you're welcome.